Hello student, now we will be discussing about the demerits of democracy or arguments against the democracy. We know that in democracy, leaders are elected through election. So the number one argument against democracy is that leaders keep changing, which leads to the instability in the country. Second, democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. It means that whoever person comes in the power, they forget about the morality and do as ever they wish. That we have seen in two countries earlier, that is Zimbabwe and Mexico. We have seen how they played dirty tricks to win the elections. Next argument against democracy is that, as we know, that in democratic countries, rules are made in the parliament after the discussions among the MPs. So many people have to be consulted in a democracy, which leads to delay in decision making. Next argument against democracy is that sometimes elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people, and whatever decision they have taken may not be good for the people, and it leads to the bad decisions. Next argument against democracy is that democracy leads to corruption, as it is based on electoral competition. We will further read about this aspect in detail in 10th class, but all of us know that whoever are having money and whoever are strong, they play dirty tricks to win the election, as we have seen in two countries, in Zimbabwe and Mexico. Sometimes ordinary people do not know what is good for them, and they are not able to decide anything. There are so many arguments against democracy, and sometimes they can apply to misuse of any form of government, and at that time we can say that democracy is not a magical solution for all the problems. As we have seen earlier, the discussion was going on that democracy is not able to end the poverty from our country or from the other parts of the world, as nowadays maximum countries are democratic country. Democracy as a form of government only ensures that people take their own decisions, and this does not guarantee that their decisions will be good. The people involved may make mistakes. Their decisions lead to delays in decision making, and sometimes it leads to frequent changes in leadership, as we have seen earlier in our country 1 month back, that there was the rule of Congress. Kamalnath government was there. Nowadays it has changed to the BJP Shivraj Singh government, and this can be the setback in the big decisions that affect the government's efficiency. So these arguments point out that democracy may not be the ideal form of government, but the real question that we face is different. And the question is democracy better than other forms of government that are there for us to choose from?